Hi everyone, this is Daniel Rothrock, Director of Property Management.
And I'm Jessica Robinson, and we are here today to talk to you about a property management Cinderella story. So Daniel, tell me about this house on Prowmore. It's not our typical rental, right, that we got. What was the drama that we discovered with this house?
So, long story short, the owner had some frustrations with a former property manager and was looking to make a transition to Eaton Realty. And when the keys were given to us by the former property manager, of course we go through and do a full inspection. We found the house had been destroyed a little bit. There was a lot of trash in the front yard, a lot of trash in the backyard. And the terms that were given to us was the house was vacant, free, and clear, and so we had the locks changed immediately.
Okay.
It wasn't until the following day when we went back by to start our processes that we found that the door had been kicked in and actually someone was living in the home.
So we had a squatter in this house.
Yes, we had.
Okay.
So at that point, obviously, we have a situation,
Right.
And the first thing we wanted to do was seek legal counsel.
Okay.
So after seeking legal counsel, we also identified the situation to the homeowner. We just started the discussion with the former property manager and with the existing tenant to try to understand exactly all the nuts and bolts and
Right.
the details of what was going on.
Now, how did this person, we can't call him a tenant, how did this person even get access to the home in the first place?
The existing tenant had put out an ad out there on Craigslist saying that they needed a roommate, and so that was unauthorized. But she did what she did. She invited this individual into their home, sublet a room essentially, and then when she vacated, that individual decided to stay. And so we decided the best course of action would to go ahead and start with the legal proceeding of an eviction.
We got the squatter removed from the house.
That is correct.
What were we left with once we got the house free and clear?
The house was in pretty bad shambles, from things like bad paint, damages of the drywall.
Okay.
We needed new flooring, the carpet had been damaged, the trash, as previously mentioned, needed to be cleaned up. The owner decided to also go ahead and take this opportunity to invest back into the home and make some modern improvements at this time as well.
So we brought our vendors in that we have used, we know, we trust them, and they came in and they essentially just overhauled the inside of this house. Okay guys, that was about it. That's Prowmore. Stay tuned. We're going to meet with some of our vendors. We'll show you the befores, the afters. You can't wait till you guys see the finished product.